In the age of AI, the employees in technical companies like OpenAI, what is the role of them? That's a good question, Mohammed. And OpenAI is quickly becoming a large company, right? These AI labs are becoming large companies onto themselves. And obviously, they're going to have your traditional roles, right? Your marketing, your HR, your accounting roles, right? But one of the more interesting roles that has come out has been the FDE, deployed engineer. And that's going to be important because um, places like OpenAI basically need to enable their future customers to use AI, right? There's no customers if they don't know how to use AI in general. So that's why the forward deployed engineers have become so popular because they're basically out there saying, hey, I'm from OpenAI and I'm here to help you solve your problems with AI, right? So I think that those types of jobs are increasing at a place like OpenAI, and that's going to be a big part of their staff, right? And that's not new per se, right? Tech companies have always done that, just in different ways, right? Like consulting companies have done this for a long time. Consulting companies are no good unless people know how to use you. So same concept, right? Like I remember when I was working with IBM and in other consulting situations, I was sometimes you as a technical person, you are assigned the role of a pre-sales engineer. And to me that was kind of fun. And basically what that is you're assigned to a salesperson, like a tech salesperson, and you both of you work together as a team to target a particular client and say, hey, we're from IBM and we're here to talk to you about your database implementation. And here's how we can help you. And then eventually the client says, well, can you help us with this one tiny little problem as a POC? And then that's where I come in and say, sure, I'm Dennis and I'm a great technical resource for you. How can we make this project happen so that you'll buy our software? Right? So that concept isn't new, but that's what OpenAI and Anthropic and Google and Microsoft and everybody else will be doing for their AI offerings. So that's what I think a lot of them are going to end up doing there. Um, we'll call you Siobhan. I think you've been here before. Siobhan says, hello, Dennis. I am looking for an internship in data science. Is there any vacancy open for remote work? Sure, somewhere out there.